Hello mga ka-showbiz, mga 18 at mga P-pop fans. Ito nga, proud na proud talaga tayo ngayon dahil ang buong P-pop music industry at mga P-pop music artist ay pinakilala ng Grammy Award kung saan sa kanilang recording academy, sa Facebook at sa mga official fan page nila sa kanilang social media account ay pinakilala at laman ang P-pop music industry at P-pop music artist. Talagang iniisa-isa nila ang mga talented Filipino artist na belong sa P-pop music industry ng Pilipinas. At sinabi doon na abundant. Ibig sabihin noon marami. Mayaman tayo sa mga talentong Pilipino kung saan member ng P-pop music industry. Andyan ang of course ang P-pop King na SB19, Benny, Alamat, BGYO, G22, Kaya at marami pang iba. Kaya nakaka-proud talaga dahil ito na nga ba ang signos o sinyalis na tanggapin na ng buong Amerika, ng buong international music scene o global stage ang ating mga talentong Pinoy na member ng P-pop music industry. O di ba nakaka-proud at very flattering tayo ngayon dahil sana ito na nga ang panahon para makilala pa ang P-pop musika. Ito na kaya ang panahon na i-release ng Amerika sa kanilang global stage sina Sara Geronimo, Darwin Espanto, Maymay Entrata, Inigo Pascual, SB19, Alamat, Benny, BGYO at marami pang P-pop artist sa kanilang international music scene. Ito na kaya ang signal o signos na magiging international na ang P-pop music industry at makilala sa buong mundo tulad na lamang ng K-pop at J-pop. Ito nga ay may nangyayaring elaboration ng ating mga artist, mga P-pop artist sa Pilipinas kung saan pinakilala talaga ng Grammy Award sa kanilang recording company, recording academy na content sa kanilang social media account.
You could try to play but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess. What's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine. From pain, it's a blessing, new focus, no guessing. Just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.